Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Vervebuds 200. And to do this, first let's open a case and remove both of the earbuds. Now as you can see, they are connected with this iPhone, and that's just to show you that we'll be performing factory reset and they'll be disconnected after we've done it. So now let's power them on and I will show you that they are connected. And to perform the factory reset, we need to turn them off. Now hold both of these buttons again and hold them for a bit longer, about 10 seconds. And this will perform factory reset on this device. And as you can see, they are gone and not connected. Now only thing we need to do is to place them back in a case, close the lid, open it, and from here you can start using them again after factory reset. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.